Guide to repairing LED strip light faults.
1. Slowly pull off the stopper. 2. Remove excess adhesive residue. 3. Confirm that the light strip can be pulled. 4. Repeat the previous 3 steps. Pull apart the other end, remove excess adhesive, and verify that the light strip can be pulled out. Five. Desolder the wires from the LED strip. 6. Tie a lead wire to each end of the light strip. 7. Gently pull out the light strip. 8. Power on the LED strip, locate the faulty section, and inspect the cause. Detached solder joint, dislodged component, etc. 9. The fault is caused by an LED bead becoming detached due to a failed solder joint. The joint requires resoldering. 10. Power on again to verify that the faulty section is operating correctly. 11. Straighten out the light strip after maintenance. 12. Secure the lead wire at the light strip connection point. 13. Slowly pull the LED strip into the silicone tube from the other end. 14. Resolder the wires that were unsoldered in step 5. Then trim off and remove the lead wires. 15. Pull the LED strip at the other end until it is flush with the silicone tube. 16. Illuminate the indicator light again to confirm there are no faults. 17. Apply silicone sealant to the inside of the plug and secure the plug in place. 'Repeat the same procedure at the other end. 18. Connect and test with an identical LED strip. 2. Verify that the color sequence and animation patterns match. The light strip was pressed multiple times before packaging and showed no faults.